Welcome. It's Brightest Life, and today, we are going to share with you a good topic video. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button to keep you updated of our upcoming videos. We will be pleased if you also click the like button, leave some good comments, and share this video. Thank you and enjoy watching.
Which supplement should I take for heartburn, acid reflux, and indigestion? To help guide you to the right product, here are some recommendations based on underlying features. Mechanical factors. If you are obese, pregnant, or have a hiatal hernia, the best natural approach is alginate raft therapy. If you are overweight, weight loss is often curative. Occasional heartburn. Occasional use of calcium-containing antacids is appropriate but is not recommended for long-term use. Alginate raft therapy is also useful on an as-needed basis. Irritation due to ingestion of certain foods. Sometimes symptoms of reflux are due to the ingestion of coffee, carbonated beverages, alcohol, chocolate, fatty foods, citrus fruits, spicy foods, etc. Elimination and avoidance of these foods are recommended, but a person can also use calcium-containing antacids or alginate raft therapy on an as-needed basis. DGL is another option. Lack of hydrochloric acid or digestive enzymes. Insufficient output of stomach acid can result in heartburn and reflux symptoms, but generally also leads to gas and bloating within 30 minutes of eating. A simple trial of HCl supplementation at the recommended dosage level can be quite helpful. Presence of an irritable bowel along with heartburn. Either the ginger-artichoke combination or the enteric-coated peppermint oil. Nighttime heartburn. Raising the head of the bed 6 inches is often helpful. Alginate raft therapy is effective, and so is melatonin, 3 mg at bedtime. The combination of heartburn and poor sleep quality. Melatonin, 3 mg at bedtime. Home remedies for heartburn and acid reflux. There are a number of other helpful natural aids for reflux. Aloe vera. Aloe vera helps to reduce inflammation and may be helpful with heartburn when the linings of the stomach and esophagus are irritated or inflamed. 10 Aloe can be taken in extract form in capsules or via aloe juice. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a milder form of acid replacement as discussed above. Drinking 2 ounces of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar before a meal can be helpful. Capsules and tablets that provide an equivalent dosage can also be used. Alkaline water. Drinking a glass of alkaline water, pH above 8, can help, or make your own by adding some freshly squeezed lemon wedge into 8 ounces of water. 11. Sugar-free gum. Chewing sugar-free gum after meals has also been shown to help stop heartburn and acid reflux. Chewing sugar-free gum stimulates the salivary glands in the mouth to produce saliva. This excess saliva dilutes and eliminates any acid that may reflux into the esophagus. Research shows that chewing sugar-free gum reduces symptoms in chronic acid reflux patients and may also help patients who occasionally suffer from heartburn and reflux. 12. Lifestyle changes that affect heartburn and acid reflux. Heartburn and acid reflux tend to happen at night when lying in bed. This is due to gravity allowing stomach acid to reflux up into the esophagus. Elevating the head of the bed by using bricks or 2x4 blocks under the head of the bed frame may help reduce nighttime symptoms of heartburn. Being mindful when eating is also helpful in alleviating heartburn. Small, well-chewed bites are easier to digest than large bites, and spending more time sitting down to eat a meal can also help. And that has been our episode for today for Brightest Life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button, leave some good comments, and share this video. Hit the notification button to keep you updated for more videos like this.